Welcome to the Easy Tech Fixes news channel. And if you live in the United States, unfortunately, this is US only. Not all states. There's 34 states that have settled. I think it's worth checking out because if you had an iPhone in the past and was unhappy with the fact that we finally learned at some point that Apple was throttling the speed of your iPhone without really telling us, there was a lawsuit, actually. And the lawsuit is, of course, settled. Apple is going to pay $113 million to users of iPhones that had, the models that with degraded batteries for their owners. They would actually degrade performance and so on. So this is to settle the lawsuit. Battery throttling issue, of course, surfaced in December of 2017. Of course, Apple kind of said, well, we're doing that to save battery and try to have your phone run as much as I can and better as I can. So basically, go into the details and make sure that you check it out. You might be entitled to, if you had an iPhone in the past, you might be entitled to some money. And everybody loves money. So you just need to check out the settlement. Go to the Apple webpage, check out with the details with your phone. You might have to fill out a form, but Apple is settling for $113 million. How much money that comes up to the users, I don't know, but I think it's worth checking out. For that, you need to have had an iPhone that you used in the past. So there's a certain time period where you needed an iPhone. It's not, you're not going to get money with an iPhone bought 1 year ago. You need to have had an iPhone more than 2-3 years ago. And that will entitle you for something with this lawsuit. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.